Okay, so we've done our brainstorm, and remember our topic for our personal narrative is write about a meaningful experience I've had. And I had eliminated these for the reasons shown, and I was looking at fishing with my dad and when I got my first dog. So now I'm going to organize, and I'm going to use a narrative graphic organizer. So I'm going to make a 2-column chart because I have 2 topics that I'm choosing between. So I've got when I first got my dog, when I got my first dog, and fishing with my dad. If you know you're only going to do one, then you're only going to have a 1-column chart. And because it's a narrative graphic organizer, it's going to look like this. We're going to have our introduction, our first, next, then, finally, and then our conclusion paragraph. So I'm going to pause the video and fill in these sections with some text that will hopefully help me choose my final topic for my essay before I start writing paragraphs and then realize one of them is better than the other. So I've filled in my narrative graphic organizer for when I got my first dog. In my introduction, I had always grown up with pets and I had a cat, but I wanted a dog for company, protection, and exercise. I knew I wanted to adopt a dog from the pound. First, I was in the area and had some time to spend, so I decided to walk and play with some dogs at the pound. I searched on my Maps app and found the pound and drove over. I asked if they would like someone to play with some of the dogs for their exercise and was told I could pick from any of the adoptable dogs. They showed me where they were. Next, I saw a little puppy named Lizzie. She looked like her eyes and ears took up half her head. She just came up to the door of the pen, sat and wagged at me. My heart melted and I knew she needed to come home with me. Then I took Lizzie out to play. We ran and jumped and played rope tug, and she smiled. Yep, this dog could smile. Her information sheet said she liked cats, which was good because I had a cat, and she was good with kids, which was good because my neighbor kids came over a lot. Finally, I asked how much the adoption fee was. It was $80. I had been looking for a long time, and a lot of dogs were much more expensive to adopt than $80, so I filled out the paperwork, paid the adoption fee, and took her home. My dog Lizzie, which is short for Elizabeth, became a wonderful pet for me for many years. She barked when people came to the door, but didn't bark so much that it became annoying. She ran and played with the neighbor kids. She even learned to jump on her hind legs and conga dance with me. She will always have a special place in my heart because of the love we shared. So I filled in a lot of detail for when I got my first dog. Now I'm going to do the same thing for fishing with my dad. Okay, so here's my graphic organizer for fishing with my dad. Introduction, I really wanted to go fishing, but my dad only wanted to take my brother. First I got up early and got ready and waited in the boat until my dad got up. He still didn't want me to go, but my brother was still asleep. Next, my mom said with her warning tone, "Can I talk to you now?" to my dad. My dad came back and said, "Well, you're not right in the back of the boat. Get in the truck." Then at the lake I had to put a worm on a hook, and I was the only one to catch a fish. The fish was so huge and so strong that it took me forever to reel it into the boat, and I was so tired by the time I finished. But it was a catfish, so we had to put it back. Finally, we left and we were cleaning up the boat when my dad found the camera. Conclusion, I never went fishing again, but I will never forget the time I showed my dad that I could be a good fisher too, and I caught the big fish. I proved I was strong and determined. Okay, so now as I look over these, you may think, oh, well, she has more writing here, so this must be the better one to choose for the essay. But I actually think I'm going to stick with fishing with my dad because I remember some quotes. I remember exactly what people said, and I've pretty much told the entire story in my graphic organizer here of my dog, so even though it has more information, there isn't a lot to expand on, and I can also go back and talk with my mom and my dad if I wanted to, and they would help me remember some details to fill in this one. But also this one made me laugh, and I think it's a much funnier and more engaging story. So having filled in my graphic organizer, I'm going to go ahead and choose fishing with my dad to move on to the writing stage. So I will put writing, and that will be the next video, a multi-paragraph essay, which is step 3.